Hi viewers, our today's topic is popsicle stick houses. You are watching a greenhouse of popsicles, a colorful house you are watching on the screen, big, beautiful. You are watching another house, uh, craft beautiful design, another house you are watching you can decorate at home. You are watching another popsicle house, red and green. You are watching another hat, rabbits, two rabbits decoration. You are watching another popsicle house. You can arrange night light. You can watch another popsicle house, green. You are watching another popsicle night light hut. You are watching a colorful beautiful hut of ice cream sticks, another simple and easy colorful different mixed color, a hut you are watching decorate with the flowers, uh, beautiful simple hut. You are watching stairs and flowers. You are watching double story hut made with the popsicles, colorful different designs of the huts. You are watching beautiful colors. You are watching four huts, wall hanging beautiful color pink, purple. You are watching two huts. You can color the different shape. You are watching another design of the hut popsicle, colorful beautiful. You are watching another double story hut popsicle hut ice cream sticks you can made at home. You are watching another popsicle ice cream sticks hut decorated with the flowers. You are watching beautiful and simple hut lawn, and you are watching a swimming pool and beautiful decorating. You are watching another hut swing, and you are watching a bunker design of hut, beautiful dollhouse. You are watching blue and white shade hut double story. You are watching biggest hut. You are watching a hut of simple ice cream sticks. You are watching another hut. The ceiling is brown. You are watching double story hut, beautiful colorful sticks. You are watching the another hut decorate with the